Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Google Maps offline on Samsung phone. Quick tip step by step clearly.
Open the Google Maps app on your Samsung phone.
Ensure you are connected to a Wi-Fi network or have mobile data enabled.
Search for the location you want to download by typing it into the search bar. Once the location appears on the map, tap on it to open the details page. Look for the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on those three dots to reveal more options. Select Download Offline Map from the drop-down menu. You will see a box outlining the area that will be downloaded.
Adjust the area by zooming in or out as needed to include all important regions.
After adjusting, tap Download to start saving the map offline. Wait for the download process to complete. Once finished, you will see a confirmation message. Now, you can access the offline map even without an internet connection.
To view your downloaded maps, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner.
Select Offline Maps from the menu that appears.
Here, you'll find all your downloaded maps listed.
You can update or delete any of your offline maps from this section. Remember that downloaded maps expire after 30 days unless updated. You can easily update them anytime while connected to the internet. Using Google Maps offline on your Samsung phone is now effortless.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.